Welcome to WebStarBus. We know that Bing search can generate AI-based images. Open Bing in Microsoft Edge web browser, click at Chat link. From Conversation Style, select Creative. In search field, type Draw. And then name the thing you want to draw, including its attributes and properties. Draw AI robot. Draw a beautiful flower in purple color among black colored flowers. Image creation was successful. It is powered by Dall-E. Let's try another one. Draw a futuristic flying car around the globe. Well, we have the futuristic flying car around the globe. It can draw images, but if you type draw Albert Einstein, it gives error. It says try another prompt. Looks like there are some words that might be blocked at this time. Sometimes even safe content can be blocked by mistake. Check our content policy to see how you can improve your prompt. And if you think that this could be a mistake, let's try again. Draw Albert Einstein. It says I have already created that for you. Do you want to make any changes or request something else? But it didn't create image of Albert Einstein. It gave error. Let's try draw Elon Musk. Nope. Let's try draw Bill Gates. Nope. So it tends to not serve queries that request to generate image of certain people or personalities. This is one thing that I found to be blocked by Bing search, even though it's not anything bad or restricted, but Bing draw feature is limited in this regard. It's based on Dall-E, but it's customized to generate specific type of images, and it may block certain image generation prompts. It is certainly not like MidJourney or Stable Diffusion. It cannot be a replacement for Stable Diffusion or MidJourney. I found this limit in Bing search. Did you find any limit in Bing search? Let us know in comments. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.